Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a WhatsApp backup on your OPPO Reno 14. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open up our WhatsApp. Now, when we are on the main page, let's click on those three dots in the top right corner and now click on the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down a little and find chat backup. Okay, and let's discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. In here, currently, you can see that in my case, this Google account is selected. And it means that on this account, our WhatsApp backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if we want to restore our chats in the future, we'll need to be logged in into the same Google account that we have selected right in here. If you want to add another one, simply click on add and log in into other Google account. Okay, below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but in my case I put it on the monthly. And it means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to remember about making it manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable feature. So if you want, you can pick between one of those modes. For me, monthly is like perfect. It's also worth enabling to include the videos in our backup because this option is also disabled. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you will be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. It's like an extra security feature, but be aware that if you lose that password, you won't be able to restore the chats. But creating it, it's not necessary to create a backup. So it's completely up to you. Okay, now make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And now hit the backup button. Now the process will start. Okay, and now as we take a look on the hour, the last backup was made like, 10 seconds ago, so everything went fine. So now our backup of our WhatsApp is stored in the cloud of our Google account that we have selected right in here. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.